History. For over 5 decades, Harbercraft has been a prominent name in Canada, establishing itself as a premier manufacturer of welded heavy-gauge aluminum boats. Founded by a vision that has spanned 53 years, the company's commitment to quality and innovation has been a defining feature throughout its history. Best inventions? Harbercraft's legacy of innovation is epitomized by the introduction of pre-flex technology in 1992, revolutionizing aluminum heavy-gauge hull assembly. This groundbreaking technology set new standards in the industry, showcasing the company's dedication to pushing the boundaries of manufacturing excellence. The Center of Excellence, established in 2009 in Vernon, further underscored Harbercraft's commitment to raising the bar in welded boat manufacturing. Recent developments. In recent years, Harbercraft, now operating under the Kingfisher brand, has demonstrated resilience and adaptability in response to market demands. The company successfully entered the multi-species boat market, unveiling a lineup of game-changing boats based on its pre-flex heavy-gauge hull technology. The decision to consolidate its brands under the Kingfisher nameplate reflects a strategic move to enhance the customer experience globally. Current status. Under the leadership of CEO Byron Bolton, Harbercraft, now navigating under the Kingfisher flagship brand, continues to thrive. The company's growth strategy emphasizes a collaborative approach with the dealer network, aiming to elevate the Kingfisher consumer experience.